Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to turn off the auto emoji feature on Discord. And this can be done via the app if you have it downloaded, or you can do it on the web-based version. If you find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, I'll be showing you how to do this on the web-based version, but the process is the same for the app as well, if you have that downloaded. So the first thing we're going to do is come across to discord.com and then go ahead and log into our account. So once we're logged in, we're just, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go onto my server and if I show you what I mean. So if I put like the two dots and the D, and you can see it comes up with the smiley face. So this is what I mean when you type stuff like that and it converts it into an emoji. So to actually turn this off, what you need to do is come down to your settings, which is if you click down here next to your username, it's actually this gear icon down here. And then what you want to do is just come down to the app settings section and then go ahead and click onto text and images. And then if you look down slightly under emoji, there's actually a toggle button here, which says automatically convert emoticons in your messages to emoji. So if we go ahead and turn that off, and then click the cross, and you'll see when I now try to do it, it's just going to come up with the normal emoticons rather than converting it to an emoji. And that's it. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, if you click the link in the video description down below, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.